Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the new winter frost recipe Mandarin Frosted Pancake in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the penguin stove like this because this recipe can only be cooked using this stove. And if you don't know how to craft this stove yet, you can check the link in the description for the full tutorial. And then next, make sure you also have the original frosted pancake recipe. You can get this recipe from Massimo and from NPC Massimo. And then after that, just tap on your stove and then just select your original frosted pancake, this one. And then on this ingredient, this one, on this fruit ingredient, just replace it with the mandarin's orange. And then just tap on start cooking like this, and then just cook the pancake. And okay, like this, you unlock the new winter frost recipe, Mandarin Frosted Pancake. Usually there will be a special animation the first times that you successfully unlock the recipe, but in my case the animation doesn't appear because I already unlocked it before, like this one. I already has the recipe. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.